Hey, good morning. Steve Small in Denver, Colorado. I own and operate three companies that all are in the areas of cleaning and restoration. So, what we have done with one of the companies for the last 50 years is achieve and maintain a healthy environment for the home and the workspace, something that's very essential right now, and always, but especially right now. But certainly because of the current situation, things have been pretty rough, and for the foreseeable future, they look rough as well. So, over the years, we've done our best, both personally and business wise, to have some reserves on hand, to help employees out. More weather related if we have some rough stretches of weather, just to help supplement their paychecks. But that'll all be gone pretty soon at this rate. So, um, what we want to do is work. We would like to provide the amazing service that we do on a daily basis um, to our community. And we also need the people that we work for to be able to work so that they can enjoy our services. But we also need the people that we rely on for our products, our equipment, everything that we need from an infrastructure standpoint to be able to work as well. So it really is a big circle, and it's all going kind of circling the drain right now. And it'll be going down the drain here shortly if measures aren't taken to get people back to work responsibly, safely. We want all of that to be in place, but we also desperately want to be able to provide for our families and to also be able to offer, a great job and a great work environment for our employees like we've done for so many years. So we would sure ask for the decision makers to think about the dynamic of the smaller and mid-sized companies and how much value they add to the economy, and the fact that we just need to get out there and do what we're great at and what the community needs us to do. So please, please, please take measures, put things in place to get this country back to work in some form or fashion. We appreciate your consideration, and we're relying on you to make some good decisions to make sure that we can continue to provide for ourselves.